All right, Shalom, Mike. First and foremost, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rikakodash. I'd like to give double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to the elect that teaches His word in all true faith and sincerity. And today, I just want to tie this lesson, What Grinds My Gears, which that's a series that the brother Ryan did. So, I just want to add a episode to it. What grinds my gears? An American Israelite, which even though that's an oxymoron, but that's what these niggas. They matter of fact, let me get that word oxymoron, because that's what it is. That's exactly what it is. An oxymoron. Let's see. Let's see if I can. Hopefully I spelled it right. Okay. Yeah, this is oxymoron. It says a figure of speech by which a locution produces and encourages seemingly self-contradictory effect, as in cruel kindness or to make haste slowly. See? Yeah, I mean, so that's an oxymoron. So cruel kindness to make haste slowly. So pretty much, these guys they pretty much live hypocritical lifestyles, man. You know, how you gonna call yourself an Israelite, but you live the life of an American? You know, matter of fact, this is Matthew 23:1. Then spake Yahweh to the multitude and to his disciples, saying, the scribes and the Pharisees sit in Moses' seat. All therefore whatsoever they bid you observe, that observe and do, but do not after their works, for they say and do not. See? So observe when they talk about the law. Yeah, the law is righteous, man, but don't do after their works. You know, because it said, for they say and do not. You know, because you have these new age Israelites, these new Israelites coming up, even these different type of counts. They live hypocritical lifestyles, man. They're not serious about pushing the word of Yahweh by Shemashah. These niggas just just throw fringes on their shirt. I was gonna say throw a garment. They don't even do that no more, man. Throw fringes on the shirt and they good to go. They know Deuteronomy 28th chapter, and they can jump to Romans 9-13. Well, Psalm try to say Esau, but the point is, you know, hey man, these niggas is not living the lifestyle of a true Israelite. You know, matter of fact, because it's all entertainment. You know, these guys want to get a fix of cutting somebody. Yeah, I mean, you asking somebody with their nationality. Well, you know, these Americans are dumb. You know, you trying to beat up a midget, man. Ain't all about that, man. It's all about edifying. You know, but a lot of these guys, they want to get some type of vain glory on cutting somebody. Or they got all these followers. Or they all on Facebook. Well, hey man, ain't all about that, man. It's pretty much about doing the work of Yahweh Shema Shai, sealing the elect. You know, so this is Ezekiel 33. Let's see, in verse 30. Start at verse 30. It says, also, thou son of man, the children of thy people are still are talking against thee by the walls and in the doors of the houses, and speak one to another, everyone to his brother, come, saying, so like it's saying, come, I pray you, and hear what is the word that cometh forth from the Lord. And how they doing it through the internet. That's why I said talking against thee by the walls. That's why I says and in the doors. Meaning what? They on your comment board. You know. It says in verse 31, and they come unto thee as the people cometh, and they sit before thee as my people, meaning what? They watching the videos, and they hear thy word, but they will not do them. For with their mouth they show much love, but their heart goeth after their covetousness. See? They can say, yeah, Shalom. Beautiful video, brother. But guess what? This nigga probably he probably put a bad precept on your comment, man. But this nigga high hell off a blunt, man. You know. Nigga probably a woman on the Sabbath. Or just, you know what I mean, something simple like that, man. That's what these niggas, they go after that, they covet after the lifestyle of an American. They want to live the American lifestyle. Matter of fact, let me get this word covetousness. Let me get that in Ezekiel 33, because that's what they covet after the so-called American lifestyle. They want to live the life of an American, man. You know, they want to be comfortable in every way. Yeah, I mean, but hey, what's the point? When you come in this arena, you have to prepare yourself to catch hell. You know, so this is Strong's H 12:15 about Sah. He says, profit, unjust gain, profit acquired by violence, dishonest gain, lucre. Yeah, see? And it said acquired by violence, meaning what? Because once you got this word, man, and you pretty much you killing a lot of people with what you bring forth, man. You kill a lot of people with what you bring forth. You can say, yeah, you Israel and this and that, but if you go off on one thing, which the American Israelite does, guess what? You have gathered followers, but guess what? You leading them to destruction, man. You know? Let's see, this is Maccabees, first Maccabees 1. And I started verse 11. In those days went there out of Israel wicked men who persuaded many, see? Saying, let us go and make a covenant with the heathen that are round about us. For since we departed from them, we have had much sorrow. And that's why you see a lot of these camps pretty much getting these 501c3s, man. They want to have some type of relief. Yeah, I mean, because there's knowledge, man. Because once you get these riches right here, you're gonna lose your carnal riches. I mean, in one form or another, you're gonna catch some type of hell, man. You know, in Jake, dude, they I'm gonna say like that, these American Israelites. That's what they do, man. They making covenants with the heathen. They go with these friendly doctrines. You know, they want to just make everybody feel good and just be an Israelite and everything is okay. Well, it's nothing like that. Verse 12, it says, so this device pleased them well. Now you go into that word device. That's an evil plan. You know, which a lot of these American Israelites, they paid off, man. Because Esau have infiltrated. They know about this and they know this is the truth. But guess what? You can't stop. You can't stop this truth. The only thing you can do is do stuff for the truth, man. Because you can put a false camp out there. And guess what? It's going to lead to another video to the real camp, which is Great Millstone. And even in that, just putting a false camp out there, just let them know they're Israelites. Hey, that's more marking, you know, because 2/3 got to go, and Jacob is the sand of the sea, Israel. So guess what? Hey, that's you still helping the truth out by marking 2/3, you know. But let's see, verse 13. Then certain other people were so forward therein that they went to the king and gave them license to do after the ordinance of the heathen. See? Because that's what you follow. You can just say you're Israel, but you're not walking the walk of an Israelite. You know. So pretty much, I'm just gonna end it off on this right here. I can just quick video. This is Ezekiel chapter 37, and I started verse 7. So I prophesied as I was commanded, and as I prophesied, there was a noise And behold, a shaking, and the bones came together, bones to his bone, and this the great awakening. Which, hey, we in this time now, man. Trust me, best believe you can come to any Jake, and you can tell him, you can say something about Israelite. 9 times out of 10, they know about Israel, man. Jake they don't want to talk about it, they don't want to speak on it, you know. But a lot of Israelites have woken up, man. You know, it says, and I beheld, lo, the sinews and the flesh came up upon them, and the skin covered them above. See, they know who they are, but there was no breath in them. See, matter of fact, I gotta jump back to Matthew 23. Said they got the sinews and the flesh, but guess what? It was no breath in them, man. Meaning what? They don't have the understanding of Yahweh Shema Shai. They don't have the true understanding of the Lord. They compare on the outside Israelite, but on the inside they're dead, man. Matter of fact, let me get it. This is Matthew's 23 and verse I started verse 24 again. 24, you blind guys will strain at a net and swallow a camel. Meaning what? You have you straining, or you tripping over the simple things, man. You know, because it's true. The scripture said that these words are plain unto the holy. So we ain't gonna strain on no net. If it's simple, why people strain at it? Such as the rape thing. That's some people strain at, man. The scripture clearly says, yeah, I mean what it says, man. You know, ain't no reason to get butt hurt. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's what the scriptures say, man. And it's straight plain to the point. You know, it says, woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites. And hey, man, you read this chapter. I mean, every other verse it says, woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees. Woe unto you, woe unto you, woe unto you. Hey, that's the message Yahweh Shema Shai has for you, you hypocrites, man. See, woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites, for you make clean the outside of the cup and the platter, but within they are full of extortion and access. See, on the outside it's it look clean, but within you just a grimy nigga, man. Verse 26, thou blind Pharisee, cleanse first that which is within the cup and platter, that the outside of them may be clean also. Meaning what? The inner man, you had to kill off that old man first, man. You can't just be a nigga in the truth, because after a while you're gonna get sniffed out, man. And that's why a lot of these guys they want to do their own thing, because they understand they want to still be a nigga. Yeah, I mean, an American, and be an Israelite also, man. Well, Lord said, clean the inside first, man. Which these guys don't want to do. They don't want to stop their routine. Yeah, I mean, niggas still going to the gas station on Saturday nights, man. So low level, man. That's what Lord said, I'm from above, ye from beneath. Guys don't really understand how serious this truth is. Verse 27, this the point. Woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites, for you are like whited sepulchres, which indeed appear beautiful outward, but are within full of dead men's bones and of all uncleanness. See, they outside, they got the skin, they know they're Israelite, but within they are full of dead men's bones and of all uncleanness. They don't have they don't really have the true understanding of the scripture, and ultimately they're just a grimy 2/3 nigga, man. Which the only way to cleanse those type of guys is with fire, by the way of those missiles, man. It says, even so ye outwardly appear righteous unto men, but within you are full of hypocrisy and iniquity. And that what happens. Cause the worst of the worst niggas had the biggest beards, I mean, in Israel, man. I mean, nigga got the biggest beards, you got the phylacteries, the big Timbos. They're appear righteous, but within they are full of hypocrisy and iniquity. Yeah, 'cause at the end of the day, he's still finna go do some nigga shit, man. You know, they ain't really taking this thing serious, just doing it for vain glory, which is not about that, man. You know, we trying to seek mercy from Yahweh Hashem Yahushua at the end of the day. So yeah, I hope it will edify. I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh Hashem Yahushua, Hashem Kakodash, double honor to the apostles and elders and great millstone. Shalom to the elect that sees the word in our truth and sincerity. DTA, Abad Babal. And Shalak Rayam, Wa Nashim, Wa Badium, Wa Haragium, all call to everyone that's against this truth. Bakusha, 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 Yahabashim Yahushai, the water, to Wabaman. And with that, Shalom.